This isn't just another keyboard. It's a statement piece that promises to elevate both your gaming and your daily grind. Can a single peripheral truly deliver on such a bold claim? Well, diving into the NIELONGHCY wired gaming mechanical keyboard, the first thing that truly catches your eye, beyond its sleek aesthetic, is that multimedia knob. This isn't just a fancy dial. It's a G-key wheel that gives you instant, tactile control over your volume and screen brightness. Imagine being deep in a game, needing to adjust audio on the fly, or quickly dimming your lights for a late-night work session. It's incredibly intuitive and surprisingly useful, making those seamless adjustments a reality without fumbling through software or hotkeys. Then there's the backlight. And let me tell you, it's more than just a simple glow. With customizable options, this keyboard transforms your desk into a dynamic light show. Whether you're setting the mood for an intense gaming session or just want a bit of flair for your workspace, the lighting effects are vibrant and add a fantastic visual dimension to your setup. It's not just about looking good, though. It helps with visibility in low-light conditions, too. Comfort is paramount, especially for those marathon sessions, and the NIELONGHCY really shines here with its ergonomic design. The ladder key curve isn't just a marketing term. You can genuinely feel the difference. It cradles your fingers, making typing feel natural and reducing that dreaded hand strain that often creeps in after hours of gaming or typing. It's a thoughtful design choice that makes a huge impact on long-term usability. Under the hood, this keyboard is packing some serious heat. Equipped with a 32-bit game-level processing chip, it boasts an incredible 1 ms response time. For gamers, this is a game-changer. Every keystroke registers almost instantaneously, giving you that crucial edge in fast-paced titles. There's no perceptible lag, just smooth, fast, and reliable performance that keeps up with your every command. It truly feels like an extension of your thoughts. And let's talk about durability. This isn't some flimsy plastic toy. The NIELONGHCY features an aluminum alloy panel, giving it a premium, robust feel. It's sleek, yes, but more importantly, it's built to last. This panel resists wear and tear, ensuring that your keyboard not only looks fantastic, but also stands up to the rigors of daily use, whether it's intense gaming or heavy typing. It feels solid and substantial on your desk, a testament to its long-lasting durability. So, what's the verdict on the NIELONGHCY wired gaming mechanical keyboard? It's a remarkably well-rounded peripheral that genuinely delivers on its promises. From its intuitive multimedia knob and stunning backlighting to its ergonomic comfort, lightning-fast response time, and rock-solid aluminum build, this keyboard offers a premium experience for both gamers and productivity users alike. It's a fantastic investment for anyone looking to upgrade their setup with a versatile and high-performing mechanical keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.